Today we are going to talk about the top 10 strange places that exist on Earth. Before we start our video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. At number 10 we have Devil's Kettle. There are numerous places on Earth that leave men in shock. Several mysteries are yet unsolved. Such is the case with the famous Devil's Kettle at the top of hiking trail in Grand Marais, US, and the north of Superior Lake. The strange thing about the lake is that a waterfall is present that splits into two paths before falling. In one path, the water flows down into the bottom, but on the other path, the water flows into a hole and never emerges out from it. This mystery is unsolved from generations, and scientists are unable to find the reason. They even threw ping pong balls in it to see where they come out, but they never emerged. They also tried to dye the water to check the emergence point, but they failed. There are several theories related to it, and people tried to solve the mystery, but their theories have no evidence to believe on them. Yet a mystery, but this strange place is still beautiful and waiting for people to find where the water is hiding. Maybe it is going to another world. Maybe in the future someone will solve this puzzle. At number 9 we have Bermuda Triangle. There are strange places on Earth where things just disappear, like in movies. There is a defined part in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean called Bermuda Triangle, also known as Devil's Triangle. Many ships and aircraft are known to disappear in this triangle. There are certain myths and scientific explanations for their disappearances, but there are no evidence of any of them how the disappearances occurred. Some of the writers give the exact area of the triangle as Miami, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda, but some other writers give different vertices. Famous disappearances in this triangle are USS Cyclops in 1918, Flight 19, Douglas DC-3, Connemara 4, KC-135 Stratotankers are some others. At number 8 we have Movil Cave, Romania. Close to the Black Sea in the southeast of Romania, in the Constanta County, there is a barren, featureless plain area which is out of notice, but there is one thing in it. There is a cave below this land which was closed from the world for 5 million years, and due to its closure, a strange atmosphere is present in it. And due to poisonous atmosphere, unique and wildlife and insects are crawling there like strange spiders, scorpions, and centipedes. To breathe, you have to wear an oxygen mask inside it and lower yourself from the roof. While exploring the cave, passing through tiny gaps, you can be lost there, far from the surface, and it's a huge risk. Would you like to visit this creepy cave? Tell us in the comments. At number 7 we have the Great Pyramids of Giza. These pyramids are the oldest and largest Great Pyramids and present currently in present-day Giza in Greater Cairo, Egypt. What is so strange is that though they were made between 2589 BC and 2504 BC, 4,500 years ago, and still present in the same appearance. More shockingly, historians and archaeologists are amazed to see their geometry. Seriously, in that old time, how people have designed, crushed, and designed the pyramids, and with which tool. They are of a height of 481 feet. According to a myth, these pyramids will become gods in the next world. Their geometry and formation style depicts the great intellects of that time and their intelligence. Though strange, but these pyramids are still in the center of attention for historians, scientists, and archaeologists. At number 6 we have Hessdalen Lights. These are the lights that emerge by day and night and float through hand above the Hessdalen Valley in rural central Norway, that is a 12-kilometer long stretch of area. These lights in this strange place have no explanation till now. The lights are bright white, yellow, or red and appear above and below the horizon. Have you ever heard about them? It seems to be a dreamy place that is shown in fantasy movies. Many scientists have done research and tried to give explanations and theories about this strange phenomenon at this place, like piezoelectric effect and something with hydrogen and oxygen gases. So this is the strangest place on the whole Earth with a weird yet beautiful phenomenon. Would you like to visit there once? Tell us in the comments. At number 5 we have Stonehenge. These are the world's famous prehistoric monuments and strangely built by people of that time. First monument was built 5,000 years ago, and the monuments in circle are the work of the late Neolithic period, about 2500 BC. Types of stones used in this monument are larger sarcens and the smaller bluestones. These stones are another wonder for engineers and scientists that depicts the intelligence of those people. People at that time were so much knowledgeable and advanced that they were building these geometric monuments. The reason for construction is still a mystery. No written record is left behind to note the purpose, only a circle of striking stones near what is today Salisbury, England. Strange, isn't it? At number 4, we have Sleeping City, Kalachi. Have you ever slept for weeks and after waking up you have no memory of what happened? Well, there is a strange place on Earth called Kalachi, a city in Kazakhstan, where in 2013 a disease emerged known as sleep hollow. No one had it before 2013. People there sleep while walking on the road or during their daily tasks. Various medical checkups were done for those people, but reports were normal. The disease was gone for some time, but again in 2015 it emerged and affected all people. This happened only in Kalachi in the whole world. Also, it is reported that this disease is non-communicable. Would you ever want to visit such a strange place? At number 3, we have Circles of Namibia in Africa. The Namibia Desert in Africa has splotched grassland with a set of spots. These lands were known as fairy circles, where there are numerous barren circles edged with patched grass and vegetation. These circles are so organized and of the same size, distributed almost evenly on the land, that puts any man in shock in the world. Many scientists have done research on them, and mathematicians too. One of the mathematicians said the whole landscape looks like a polka dot dress. These circles are having a very complex ecosystem. At number 2, we have Easter Island. Easter Island is about 64 square miles in the South Pacific Ocean and is situated about 2,300 miles from the western coast of Chile and 2,500 miles east of Tahiti. The massive statues on Easter Island are up to 40 feet tall. There are about 1,000 of them, and their torso is submerged, leaving only human-like features above the ground. Again, this is a mystery about how they were moved after their formation. It is said that they were made in 1200 CE. It means the people at that time were artistic and made these big stone statues with great care. At number 1, we have the Boiling River, Peruvian Amazon. Did you know there is a river in the world that kills anything that falls into it? There is the boiling Peruvian River in the Amazon in the middle of the low jungle. The temperature of the water is 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The logical explanation for the river to be such boiling is its presence near volcanic area, but there is no volcano near it. According to researchers, scientists say that it is due to fault-fed hot springs. Earth's geothermal energy heats this water near the boiling point. Still, it's strange that a river is always boiling in the jungle. Would you ever go near it if you visit the Amazon forest? Which of these strange places has shocked you the most and why? Tell us in the comments which place you would love to visit in the future. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.